Today I am reading Medicine Nux Vomica from the book Soul of Remedy, book written by Dr. Rajan Shankaran. Nux Vomica. Nux Vomica is a remedy of the plant kingdom and the soric miasm. It is a well-known remedy. Its main expression is being hard, jealous, ambitious, and impatient. Nux Vomica is a person who gets his things done by hook or by crook, who is quite hopeful about getting it done. He is the hard taskmaster. He is an irritable, passionate person and very fastidious. If anything bothers him, he must get it out of the way. For example, when he is constipated, he strains and strains till the stool is out. Otherwise, he gets no relief. He is ameliorated after passing stool. Naturally, he is not very patient person. He can be jealous. He is malicious and, when angry, express himself without much inhibition. In a way, he is like person who has drunk alcohol. Insanity of drunkards is the rubric that explains the Nux Vomica state quite well. Nux Vomica craves for the alcohol and for all form of stimulant and may also be addicted to laxative. Nux Vomica also has anger when obliged to answer. Once a colleague, once a colleague of mine pointed out a couple of rubric of Nux Vomica. Delusion, bad evening someone gets into and no room in it. And delusion, bad someone had sold it. The impatience which Nux Vomica shows in getting what he wants can be as if he is trying to get his bed back, the place of his security and repose. He seeks this security and repose. He wants it and he wants it fast. Unless he is a go-getter, he will be finished in this world of competition. His bed is going to get occupied by someone else. This is how Nux Vomica see the world. Nux Vomica is complementary to Lycopodium and sulfur. In some aspect, the Lycopodium resembles Nux Vomica with irritability, impatience, and dictatorial nature. These two remedy may come close, but the main difference is that Nux Vomica is not cowardly inside. He is more rush and audacious and more forceful and expressive, more impulsive and explosive. From a young age, we can see the difference. Lycopodium has a shy, introverted childhood, while Nux Vomica is in childhood is daring and mischievous. In adulthood, when given a job, Nux Vomica will do it by hook or crook, breaking through all obstacles in his way, like a road roller. He can often get violent. Lycopodium is indeed not such ardent and daring. He waits each step and does not rush into the things. If the obstacle is big, he hesitates and may even withdraw. Nux Vomica may sometimes follow sulfur and vice versa. They are opposite state. Nux Vomica is so clean, sulfur is so dirty. Nux Vomica is so chilly, sulfur is so hot. Nux Vomica is ardent, vehement, and sulfur is lazy and careless. Hence, they are complementary. Lachesis, Apis, Hyoscyamus, and Nux Vomica are among the most jealous remedy of our Materia Medica. Apis is busy and restless. Lachesis is sarcastic. Hyoscyamus is shameless and foolish, whereas Nux Vomica is quarrelsome along with being jealous. Chamomilla and Nux Vomica are very similar and are inimical to each other. Nux Vomica is the acute of Sepia, being also concerned with the occupation and business, with tremendous irritability like Sepia being chilly, constipated, etc. Sepia has two separate themes of relationship and occupation, and there is a conflict between these two. In a very acute situation of the business failure, a Sepia person may need Nux Vomica. Nux Vomica is complementary to Ignatia, which is uh, is the acute of Natrum ureticum, which is complementary to the Sepia. means Nux vomica and Escherichia sepia netromure. Physical concomitants are perspiration upper lip, desire fat, spice which aggravate him, desire meat, digestive disturbance from slightest irregularity, sleepless from 3 to 5 a.m. Rubrics are abusive, drunkardness during, ailment from business failure, ardent, businessman worn out, delusion, bad evening, someone get into and no room in it, delusion, bad, someone has sold it, envy, insanity, drunkenness in, jealousy, malicious, spiteful, vindictive, fear of poverty, quiet desire, repose, and tranquility. And Fatak says, beside oneself, someone, irritability when quarrelsome, irritability on question, quiet ameliorate, reproach others, short sleep ameliorate, and jealous. This is all about Nux vomica.